안녕하세요.
Today we're going to eat pizza from 박수치님.
박수채님, 감사합니다.
안녕하세요. Today we're going to eat pizza from 박수치님. 박수치님, 감사합니다.
안녕하세요, Jacob.
안녕하세요.
Please introduce yourself.
안녕하세요. 저는 11살 초등학교 6학년 지금입니다.
Okay, sit down. Ready na kas imong random question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Jacob, relax lang ha. Pamati sa akong random questions. 5-3.
50,
9-6.
54,
7-8.
56,
6-7.
42,
3-7.
21,
6-8.
58,
7-4.
28,
4-6.
24,
4-5.
20,
6-5.
30,
9-2.
18,
Okay, Jacob, you pass all the random questions. So, welcome to L1. So, hopefully, dili ka masigpabadlong pohon, ha? So, congratulations again and welcome to L1. So, for now, bye-bye, Jacob.
bye.
안녕하세요, Samara.
안녕하세요.
Please introduce yourself.
안녕하세요. 저는 12살 초등학교 6학년 사마라입니다.
Okay, sit down. Okay, Samara, ready for your random questions?
Yes.
Okay, just bear with me. Listen. Okay, relax ha. Ay kikul ba? 5-3. 7-8.
56,
6-7.
42,
4-3.
12,
7-3.
21,
6-8.
48,
7-4.
28,
9-3.
27,
4-5.
20,
2-9.
18,
7-5.
35.
Okay, Samara, you pass all the 10 random questions. So, welcome to L1. So, mo follow sa rules sa channel. And, dili siglit late ha. Dili sig absent. We allowed only mga valid reasons sa mga excuses o absences sa study room. Okay? Once again, congratulations and welcome to L1. Bye-bye!
Bye.
안녕하세요, Brian.
안녕하세요.
Okay, please introduce yourself.
안녕하세요. 저는 11살 초등학교 6학년 브라이언입니다.
Okay, sit down. So, Brian, ready for your random questions?
Yes.
Okay, pamati. 9-2.
18,
6-5.
30,
4-5.
20,
6-2.
12,
5-3.
15,
9-6.
54,
7-8.
56,
6-7.
42,
3-7.
21,
6-8.
48,
7-4.
28,
4, 6.
24.
Okay, Brian. You pass all the random questions. So, welcome to L1. So, hopefully, just follow the rules sa channel nga dili masig absent, dili masig pabadlong. So, dapat maminaw sa mga teachers, ha? Be a good student. So, once again, welcome to L1 and congratulations. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
안녕하세요, Rachel.
안녕하세요.
Please introduce yourself.
안녕하세요. 저는 11살 초등학교 6학년 Rachel입니다.
Okay, sit down. Rachel, ready for your random questions? Relax ha. Pamati na ako. 5, 3,
15,
9,
54,
6, 8, 7,
56,
3, 7,
21,
6, 8,
48,
7, 4,
28,
4, 6,
24,
6, 2,
12,
9, 2,
18,
6, 5,
30,
4, 5,
20,
4, 3.
12.
Okay, Rachel. Congratulations because you passed all the random questions. So, welcome to L1. So, hopefully, follow ka sa rules sa channel. Dili masig absent, dili masig ka late, dili mo sig excuse. We allowed excuses in the study room, but para ra sa mga balido nga rason. Ha? So, hopefully, be a good student sa study room. Ha? So, congratulations again and welcome to L1. Bye-bye!
Bye.
안녕하세요. For this afternoon, together with my L3 students and volunteer, we are teaching multiplication table. We have here Kisi Imnida and Desiree. The L2 student also, Desiree, sorry. We have here also Angeline Imnida, Aliyah Imnida,
28.
and Marikit also Imnida.
93. 27. Lakang tanan. 45. 99. Ay, sa lupa. Dungan ay lain na. 93. Mile. 72.
14 ako.
Hoy, mulakang.
Lakang kay dungan.
Na. 3.
7.